Hey, hey everyone, Amtrak and TSX we up in here, and we got my friend close to like 2 o'clock. I heard he's running, the train contest is running a little bit late because it came on the map showing they had to resurface the train set and all that before the train could depart Chicago. And then since all that, since the delay and they had to service the train set for a while, they didn't depart Chicago until it didn't depart Chicago until like after midnight. And I also heard them trying to warn us over down there.
CSX equipment defect detector.